Hello and welcome students. This is the second video on introduction to Java and BlueJ, and in this particular video we will be covering what is BlueJ, how it works and how to install BlueJ in our system. And before moving further, if you haven't seen the first video of this series which was on introduction to Java, you can see it from the link given in the description and then you can continue to this video. So let's start. First let's see the origination of BlueJ. So, the development of BlueJ was started in 1999 by Michael Collin and John Rosenberg at Monash University, which is in Australia. And BlueJ is IDE, Integrated Development Environment. What is IDE? In simple words, Integrated Development Environment or IDE is a software that gives the user an environment of performing programming, which is basically GUI, Graphical User Interface based, and it provides three basic things like development, testing and debugging. And few examples of IDE can be Visual Studio by Microsoft, NetBeans by Oracle and BlueJ, which we are covering right now. Okay. And in March 2009, BlueJ project became free and open source software. Okay. So BlueJ is free for everyone. And what does the word open source convey? In simple words, open source software are those software which are free for everyone, and if it's free, anybody can see it and also modify it according to the latest requirement. Okay. And BlueJ is currently being maintained by a team at King's College London because Colin is now working there. Now let's see what is BlueJ. BlueJ is an open source integrated development environment IDE for beginners to write, edit and execute Java programs. So if you want to write, edit or compile or run Java program, you need BlueJ as IDE. And what is IDE? We already discussed, right? So BlueJ allows user to write programs using an interactive visual environment which gives them a good understanding of the programming concept. Basically, BlueJ provide a very interactive GUI, graphical user interface based console, or you can say environment, which makes programming much understandable and interesting. Next is installing BlueJ. How do we install BlueJ in our system? Because right now I am using Windows, but it's not necessary that everybody in this world uses Windows. So whatever the operating system you might be using, just go to this website bluej.org and scroll down and select the operating system in which you want to install BlueJ. Suppose I am using Windows 11, so I will choose Windows and save the file and then install the file in your computer, and the interface looks something like this. This is the website of BlueJ, and if you scroll down you will see these options. Can you see here? BlueJ is offering installation for Windows, Macintosh, Ubuntu or Debian and Java. You can select BlueJ according to the operating system which you are using. And what BlueJ actually includes? BlueJ includes an editor, and we use editor to write the program. A debugger. Debugger means correcting the errors, and a viewer to see the parts of the program. And trust me, BlueJ makes Java experience very interactive. And if you want to have a glimpse of BlueJ, let me show you. Now can you see the icon of BlueJ software here on the desktop? So after installation, it comes to the desktop, okay, and double click to open it. And BlueJ looks something like this, but because I have done already few programs, but you can create project from this menu. Project, you can select new project, you can name the project according to your choice, okay, and after creating it, you can add new class to it. Suppose I am adding class name as RRR and I press OK. See, can you see RRR here on the screen? And if I open it, this is the editor of BlueJ. And don't worry, we will be covering each and every aspect of Java and BlueJ in further videos. It was just an introduction video, so don't worry about anything. Can you see the pre-written program? You can simply edit it, or you can erase everything and you can write your own code. Okay. So that was all in this video, students. See you in next video. Till then, take care.